Hello all! Today we are going to learn a new interesting topic that is about birds. We are going to learn about the different types of beaks and claws the birds have. What do birds eat? Do they have teeth to chew the food?
Birds eat seeds, grains, fruits, small insects, flesh, etc. Different types of birds eat different types of food. According to the type of food they eat, they have their beaks and claws. Birds do not have teeth, but they use their claws and beaks to catch the food and eat. Do you know birds use their beak and claws to protect themselves from enemies also? The type of the bird's beak and the claw depends upon the type of food they eat. Can you observe all the different types of beaks and the claws here? Yes, different birds eat different type of food, and with that they have different type of beaks and claws. Let's learn about more beaks and claws of birds. Yes, birds use their beaks to tear food, bite food, chisel food and crush the food. These all actions makes the food softer. The shape of the beak is according to the food habit. Birds also use their beaks for preening their feathers. What do you mean by preening the feathers? Children, you all comb your hair with a comb, right? In the same way, the birds use their beaks to comb the feathers and set it properly. While preening, they set the wax that is secreted at the base of the feather. At the base of the feathers, they have a wax secreted. They will spread the complete wax across the feathers and set it. Observe all the pictures here. Here you have different birds with their different beaks. The duck has a broad beak. The eagle has a sharp and a curved beak. This is the crossbill beak. The beak is crossed, right? And next you have the parrot, that curvy beak. A woodpecker with a long straight beak. Let's learn more about them. Each beak does different types of functions. Like generalist beak, this is for crow. Crow eats both vegetables, insects. So this is the general beak. This beak helps it to catch any type of food. Insect catching beak, it's very small because insects are very small. The beak is also very small, which helps it to catch insects. Next you have surface skimming beak, mud probing beaks, broad beaks, etc. We'll be learning more. So let us start with crushing beak now. Few birds have short, hard beak that is used to crush small seeds and grains. The bird doesn't have teeth. So these seeds and grains which are very hard, in order to make them soft, this short and hard beak of sparrow, parrot and pigeon, they help the grains to be crushed, make it soft and then these birds eat it. So these are called as crushing beaks because they crush the seeds and grains. Next, we have the curved beak. The parrot has a curved beak. This curved beak helps the parrot to crack the nuts and cut the fruits too. So, parrot has a curved beak that helps it to crack nuts and fruits. You can watch the parrot eating the fruits. Yes, here you have the piercing and the tearing beaks. Birds like eagles and vultures have piercing and tearing beaks. These help the birds to tear the flesh and eat it. So with the help of this sharp beak that is little curved, this type of beak helps the bird to tear the flesh and eat it. And next comes the chiseling beak. Chiseling beak. Observe here the small beak that the bird is having. It's so hard, so long and straight and sharp, so that it's cutting the wood. So these birds like woodpeckers, they peck the wood. So with fast motions, they peck the wood and the wood breaks into small pieces. These are called as chiseling beak. So can you see the wood flying there because of chiseling action? See, this is the chisel action done by this woodpecker. So the woodpecker has a strong, long and straight beak. With the help of that beak, they peck the wood and eat the small insects that are present in the wood. Here comes the probing beak. Hummingbird, sunbird, and hoopies have a long, slender beak. These are those so soft beaks. Okay, these are slender, I mean soft. Okay, so the hummingbird, sunbird, and hoopies, they have long, slender beaks. The sunbird sucks nectar from the flowers. Okay, the sunbird sucks nectar from the flowers, and this is the hummingbird. And next, hoopie, that eats the insects and worms from the holes of the ground. Hoopie is the insects and worms from the holes of the ground. You can see the hoopie catching that insect or the worm from the ground. It has a long, slender beak. Sift beaks. Yes, sieve beaks. Observe the pictures here. This is the picture of a bird with a broad beak, and you can find two holes here. This is a duck. So ducks have the sift beaks. What is the use of this beak? This is a broad flat beak with holes on the top. So the duck takes the food along with the mud and water present in the pond, and then it filters out all the mud and the waste water from these holes and then eats the food that is required. This process is called swifting. Okay, what does this holes help? How does this hole help in this beak? In this type of beaks, this filters out all the mud and the water and eats only the food that it want. This is like filtering. This beak, the holes on this broad beak of duck helps it to filter the food, filter out the waste materials and eat what is needed. So this process is called as sifting, and this type of beaks, duck has sift type of beaks. And next comes the sticky beak. Observe, this is the swallow bird. This has a small, broad and a sticky beak. This is a very small beak, and this bird finds it difficult to catch the insects with that small beak. So what does it have? It secretes a type of gum, a sticky substance. So what happens when it secretes the beak will be very sticky, and whenever it flies, whenever the bird flies, the flies and all, the flies, small insects that are flying in the air, they stick it to the beak and the bird eats it. So the beak is sticky from inside, which helps this swallow bird to catch the flies while flying. Okay, with this help of sticky beak, all the flies that are there in the air, small insects that are there in the air, when the bird is flying, they come and stick to the mouth of this bird and it eats it. So the sticky beak helps the small bird swallow to eat food. Thank you. Do subscribe and like my videos.